friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have the January Simply Earth monthly recipe box. This is an essential oil subscription box. I have shared it for a couple of years now. I love Simply Earth because they're affordable. All of their recipes and really everything you get from them comes with an abundance of information and education, and in my personal opinion, as a certified aromatherapist, I feel like it is the essential oil company's responsibility to educate you as well as sell you and have available really great quality essential oils. They have their testing available, so you can go on and check GCMS reports. They have batch numbers. They're doing all the right things, and they give 13% back to help end human trafficking. So they go above and beyond, and that's why I share this box every month. But this is what you get for January. And so if you are a new subscriber, you get a big bonus box as well as this, which also comes with solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, which is the liquid. You get almond oil, some beeswax pellets, I believe, and some containers that you might need to make recipes and rollers. So this is just the monthly recipe box. This is how it comes. If you want to swap out oils, I believe you can do so. I have a code that gives you $45 back. This is $45 a month. And I think that's all I wanted to cover before we get into the oils. So in this month, we get 4 oils, 1 blend, actually 2 blends and 2 singles this month. They're all 15 milliliter size. And the first one is Fir Needle. The second one is Blood Orange. The first blend is Relief, which I have this and use it and like this one. And then also Sweet Dreams, which is one of our favorite sleepy time oils. I get an abundance of essential oils as an influencer and an aromatherapist. So I get tons of essential oils. I have, I think, all 4 of these. So 4 of these are going into my giveaway pile. I give away at least 1, sometimes a bunch of essential oils every week on my email list. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that down below. The info on how to do that will be down below. But I'm going to go swap these out so I can open the ones that I have and give you just a quick smell test, and then we'll talk about how we're going to use these this month. So I have my essential oils now. I will do, so Sweet Dreams, this is a blend of marjoram, lavender, cedarwood, German chamomile, and frankincense. It's a very grounding and sweet and just lovely bedtime aroma. It's a really, really good blend. We like diffusing this. I just do 1 drop in my girls' diffuser in their room, or you can make a sleepy roller. You can make a massage oil so you can rub their feet before they go to bed. This is great for kids. It's formulated for kids specifically. Like I said, the abundance of information is great. On their bottles, it is Kid Safe 2+, obviously diluted properly. And there's a lot of factors that go into that. So if you have questions on dilution, let me know. Relief oil is next. This is eucalyptus, peppermint, copaiba, juniper berry, and rosemary. This is going to be a good oil. And previously I've used it before for relaxing, but also for some like muscle and joint, like musculoskeletal type of pains. Eucalyptus, peppermint are really cooling and invigorating. And then copaiba is really great for inflammation. So this is going to smell, what is the last note? Oh, rosemary. So actually it smells, for an oil for what this is used for, so think icy hot, but a natural version of it, it smells really good. It has all of those different notes, so it's going to smell good, plus work really well too. Fir Needle is next, and I forgot to say, I think this theme this month is body care, and I'll share the value of the box too, which I always like to share. But Fir Needle is, this one's from Russia. The aroma is evergreen. It's going to smell like walking through a forest. Fir Needle smells kind of like pine needles but fresh. It's really good. This is great in cleaning, but also, I don't know, whatever we're going to use it for, it must be in some sort of lotion. They have a lotion kit coming soon, and I'm in desperate need of it. My hands are the most dry they've ever been. But anyways, I'm going to film that next, so look for that video coming soon too. They have this monthly recipe box, but then they also come out with seasonal DIY kits where you can, it's usually a bigger kit and you can make a few of just something specific. And then we have Sweet Orange, which citrus oils are the freshest. Oils, it smells exactly like the orange peel because that is where it is cold pressed from. So it's super fresh and sweet. Orange is orange. We all know what orange smells like. So the value of the box this month is $121. And like I said, it's $44.99, so $45 per month. That is the price of the monthly subscription. The value is always way over. And then in the other side of the box, you'll get some things to make your recipes. So we are going to make something with emulsifying wax this month, we're getting cocoa butter, and then it looks like a chapstick tube. Then you always get labels, so you can label everything that you make. That's important because you're never going to remember what you put in something or the date or all of that info. So then lastly, we have the recipe cards. And so there's always 6 recipes to go with your oils. So you're getting the oils, and then you're being taught and are given a really great recipe cards on how to use them. On the back of the cards, there's additional information, so make sure you read over all of them. But first one is chocolate orange balm. I bet this is going to smell really good. Cocoa butter, beeswax, almond oil, which the almond oil will come in your big bonus box, and then you're going to use blood orange, and then we're putting it in a lip balm tube. Oh, so this is just a lip balm, chocolate orange lip balm. The girls are going to like that. Dreamy diffuser blend. So you'll get empty bottles like this, but empty, to make your own diffuser blend. And that is using all of the essential oils. Actually, no, it's fir, orange, and sweet dreams. So you're gonna mix a bunch up and put into an empty bottle. Lullaby lotion. So for this, we're using the wax. The almond oil comes in your big bonus. Sweet dreams, blood orange, fir needle. Did I get sweet orange? I got sweet orange, but you're getting blood orange. Sorry, I totally missed that. So for the lullaby lotion, we're using the emulsifying wax, almond oil, sweet dreams, blood orange, fir needle, and then from home you will need a vegetable glycerin, which is optional, a preservative, which we get from time to time in boxes, called GeoGuard, a preservative. I think that is also, see if that's optional as well. This one's a little bit more in depth. So you're going to need a double boiler. You're going to create an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice, set aside. Add the distilled water and vegetable glycerin, optional, to a glass measuring pitcher or a similar heat container, and make sure the container is large enough for the oil ingredients to be added in the immersion blender to fit. Wow, so you're going to need an immersion blender, which I'm assuming you could use just like when I make shea butter, like type of body butter or whipped body butters, I just use my KitchenAid mixer. So I'm sure you can use something similar like that, or if you have like a hand mixer, that would be fine too. But basically mixing, fill the bottom of a large pot with 2 water. So you're going to create a double boiler, then melt everything together, check the temperature, remove from heat, and then you're going to mix it up. And then you're going to, after you mix it, you're going to set the lotion container into the ice bath. So that one's a little more in depth. That's kind of fun. Fresh snow roll-on. You're going to use fir needles, sweet dreams, blood orange, and fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to mix all of that into a roller and make your own roller. Winter Bloom whipped sugar scrub. Ooh, whipped sugar scrub. That sounds so great. I love a good hydrating sugar scrub, especially in the winter. This one is almond oil, emulsifying wax, beeswax, coconut oil, fir, blood orange. You're going to need sugar from home in a container, and then you're going to need a mixer to mix it all together. And then on the back of this one, this is what I like that they share with you. It's all of the oils, and then it has just a little snippet of whether they're kid safe, dog safe, pregnancy, or cat safe. And then you can scan. There's just so much info. Relief cream is last, and this is going to be another kind of in-depth one. And honestly, this is the most in-depth with 2 of these actually recipes that I have seen. They're usually really simple. This one, so I like that they're sharing different types and methods of making things. So this one's cocoa butter, the emulsifying wax, almond oil, beeswax, and then we're using 60 drops of relief essential oil. So this is going to be a great cream for using after a workout or things like that. So that's it for this month. This is a great box to get in and use essential oils, especially if you're trying to switch your household over from more toxic products to swapping to non-toxic DIY products and things. It's empowering to make your own lotions and balms and owie oils and different things like that to use when you and your family need them. So I love this, and I love sharing it every month. Let me know what questions you have. I'm excited to make all the lotions, and like I said, I'm sharing the lotion DIY box soon, so make sure you look for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.